Subscribe Akash Technical and press the bell icon to get the new videos instantly. Hello friends, all are welcome to my channel Akash Technical. So from this video I am thinking that the demonstrational video and the technical or tricks videos will be in English language and the explanation videos will be in Bengali language as before. So I am going to give you a good news about JioPhone. Yes, JioPhone. In JioPhone a firmware update has came through which you can do Facebook in JioPhone by using Facebook original application. So I am demonstrating through my JioPhone how can you do Facebook through JioPhone and is it real or fake. So continue watching this video till end. So let's start. Hello friends, so let's start. So in my hand this is JioPhone, which price is only 1500 rupees only. So how can you update your firmware and you can enable your original Facebook application in JioPhone. So let's start. First we have to unlock the phone. After unlocking you have to go to settings by opening app bar. Okay, settings. After going to settings you have to click on side button and go to device. After going to device you have to go to the first option, that is you can see that there is software update. After clicking on software update you can see that the system is already up to date. You can click on OK. If your system is not up to date, here Jio software will give the software update. You have to update it and install it in your JioPhone. After installing the firmware you can back, and after back when you will go to the menu and the app drawer will be open, then you can get Facebook application. After opening Facebook application you can see that this is original Facebook application. You can get Facebook email address bar and password. You can give here, fill up your email address and password and you can log in. Then you can get Facebook in your JioPhone. So this is the process. You can try. After trying, if you face any issues, so please contact and comment below. I can help you. So subscribe my channel, like my videos and comment below if you face any issues about firmware update. So okay, bye.
Yeah.